and welcome to Someka Sales KPI Dashboard template. Key performance indicators are important for all companies, and these tools let you track these KPI metrics in a professional and user-friendly way. So let's see the details. Basically, the template has two main sections. The first one is the section in which we input our values like current year actual, current year target, and past year actual. Second one is the section at which we analyze our results in the dashboard view, and also together with the charts. We have put some dummy information to show you the template, but you will fill this template with your own data. For example, I want to add Net Promoter Score to my KPI report as a new KPI item, so I'm going to add this new KPI to my input section in here. So I can use the existing empty areas or add the new row. For this KPI, I'm going to use the customer metrics group, and instead of inputting manually, I have a different file that I have been working on here, and I'm just going to copy and paste values from there. So I take the past year values from here and put into the relevant section under the customer metrics group as value. And similarly, take current year targets and paste under the section as value again, and repeat same action for current year actual and paste here as value. Okay, now we can see the dashboard updates according to our new KPI metric. And this section shows the specific month results, and right side shows the cumulative figures. And we can also change the months from this drop down to see any month in detail. And in the chart section, we can expect past year, the target, actual, and together with the cumulative figures in here. And let's select our new KPIs to see its trends here. And with the new Net Promoter Scores, charts update accordingly. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates from Someka website. Thank you.